Big dog.
Big dog. Here we see a dire wolf licking his face clean.
Rudy. No, I don't want you up here. Rudy, chill. Rudy, come. Alright, so you grab underneath his collar. Rudy, come here. Oh, it's right on his. God dang it. Oh shit. Oh, I like to drink the water.
Don't go into the water.
Oh, doggy, you so nasty. Holy shit, he's like a submarine. Oh god. No, Rudy, no, please don't. No, it's not a game. Oh, Rudy, oh my god, don't, please. Look at hell, look at his feet. He's like literally incapacitated himself. Oh my god, no, Rudy, no.
Rudy says, fuck's sake.
Oh my god. You almost got it. Oh, Rudy, please don't. One more. You just wait. Lock it into place and I'll pull it up. Yeah. Rudy, please just sit. No, Rudy, please don't. Please don't.
Sit. No, I can't get it up.
It wouldn't be the first time you couldn't get it up. Oh, Rudy, come on, please, man. Just cooperate, please. Rudy, sit. World's biggest excitable dog ever.